Hi everyone and welcome back, and if you are new here and looking for air frying recipes, go ahead and click on that subscribe button because you will certainly find that here on my channel. Today we are going to be making fried shrimp in the air fryer. This is so easy and delicious. The air fryer that I am using is a Cook's Essentials 5.3 quart. With that, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm going to go through real quick on what I have going on here. I have about a half a cup of all-purpose flour. I am going to add some paprika to that. I have 1 beaten egg. I did add a little bit of water to that just to stretch the egg out a little bit. I have some panko breadcrumbs. This is the kind I'm using. I put them in a baggie. And some shrimp. They are peeled, deveined, and it looks like the tails are off of them too, which doesn't matter because we don't eat the tails anyway. I'm going to go ahead and add some paprika to our flour. That was probably just under a teaspoon. Now for the shrimp, I'm going to go ahead and season it with some garlic powder. The amount is up to you. Some salt and black pepper. We'll go ahead and mix our paprika up into our flour. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is go into our flour. Just going to do one of these for you, then I will finish up the rest. Then into our beaten egg. I'm going to go ahead and throw it in my bag here. Okay, I got a few of these done. I don't want to overcrowd my bag, so I'm just going to zip it up and give them a good shake. I'm going to put them on my paper plate, and I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of these up, and I will be right back. Okay, I have about half of my shrimp in here. I'm going to end up doing 2 batches. I'm going to spray these lightly with olive oil. Okay, let's move on over to the air fryer. Okay, I have the air fryer set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Halfway through, I'm going to take them out, flip them over. Okay, we are halfway through. I'm just going to go ahead and flip these over. Okay, I got these flipped over. I'm going to go ahead and spray this side lightly with some olive oil. I'm just going to put them back in and let them go. Okay, I have these all plated up, and my lighting in here is really wonky today. I don't know if that helps any, maybe a little bit. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and take a bite. That is so good. So much better than those pre-made breaded frozen stuff. They are cooked all the way through. They are not overcooked. I'm going to dip some into my cocktail sauce. Delicious. So there you go, everyone. I hope you give this a try. It is definitely worth making. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school.